Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum. In this grammar lesson, we are going to learn about masculine and feminine, or what we call in Arabic, al-mudhakkar wal-mu'annath. In English, masculine and feminine refer to natural gender, or what we call as male and female. However, unlike English, in Arabic, every noun is either masculine or feminine. Let's dig into it. Masculine in Arabic is al-mudhakkar, while feminine is al-mu'annath. So, how do we know whether a word is al-mudhakkar or al-mu'annath? The easiest way is to look at the ending of the word. If a word ends with ta marbuta, then it is most likely feminine or al-mu'annath. If it does not end with ta marbuta, then it is most likely masculine or al-mudhakkar. Now, let's look at some example of al-mudhakkar. Al-kitab, which means book. Al-talib, which means male student. Al-maktab, which means desk. Note that these words do not have ta marbutah at the ends, therefore they are considered al-mudhakkar. Now, let's look at some example of al-mu'annath. As-sa'ah, which means clock. At-talibah, which means female student. Al-maktabah, which means library. As you can see, all of these words have ta marbutah at the ends of the word. That is why they are considered al-mu'annath. However, please note that there are some exceptions to these rules. If a noun refers to a living being with natural gender, then its grammatical gender generally follows its natural gender. In simple terms, if the noun refers to a male, then it is al-mudhakkar. If the noun refers to a female, then it is al-mu'annath. To understand this better, let us look at some examples. Talha, Usamah, Hamzah. Although this name ends with ta marbuta, they are the names of male persons, therefore they are considered al-mudhakkar. Since this name refer to males, they are classified al-mudhakkar despite the ending with ta marbuta. Now, let us look at some more examples. Ummun, mother. Ukhtun, sister. Maryam, which is a female name. These nouns refer to female persons, therefore they are considered al-mu'annath, even though they do not end with ta marbuta. This is because their grammatical gender follow their natural gender. Till the next lesson, see you next time. Shukran.